Hi everyone, this is Cindy, the Creative the Heart, and I am back with more Hobby Lobby craziness. So I went back, this is part 2 of my Hobby Lobby haul. I did one previously on clearance items, and so I went back hoping to find more Sizzix dies, but they didn't have a lot of that. But I will show you what I did decide to get. They had another one of these composition size planners, so I got it because, I mean, what a deal. $8.74, normally $34.99. It's just beautiful. They also had, and I got both of them, $4.99. This one is 2-pack composition notebooks with a day tracker, undated monthly, weekly calendar. And then this is the same thing, only a different pattern. So this one is a mint, and then this love, and then this one is these gold hearts with the green just start. So these are pretty cool. They were $4.99. Normal price was $19.99. So it's a pretty good deal. I also got another one of these traveler size, regular size notebooks. They can fit a wide notebook, and if you make your own inserts, you definitely can customize the size for this. You probably could even fit a B6 size notebook. It would just be shorter because it fits like an 8 by 5 inch, I think you could probably do in here. So $7.49, normally $29.99. And I did buy another one of those. They're probably in my other bag. I did break down and purchase the LOL High Temp Glue Gun Mini. So I have to look and see. I think it might be a smaller nozzle than the one that I have. So I did get that one. Very excited about that. I have to look at my glue gun, which looks kind of trashed. Trash my glue gun. $1.24. These are like acrylic words. They're normally $4.99. Happy, OMG, forever, and yay. I just thought they were super cool. I don't think these are the same ones that I got. I think these were different. $1.74, normally $6.99, and these are planner stickers. I liked the colors in that one. And then this one was $2.49, normally $9.99, and this also is a planner sticker pack. It has a lot more stickers in there, a lot of neutral colors, and so I did get that. Moving on, let's see here. I did break down and buy this one. They had this at the other Hobby Lobby I was at. This is another regular sized traveler's notebook. Just the price is unbelievable, and this color is so cute. This is the same one pattern that I got my composition book that I shared yesterday. Normally $29.99, $7.49, and inside you've got pockets, and it does come with a notebook. It's fantastic. So move that over. I've got like no space to work. Moving on, this was half off. I went ahead and broke down and got this. Even though I can make my own inserts, I don't think that the paper that I have has this big girl in it, which I really, really liked. Also, I think it matched really well with that new blue Traveler's notebook that I got. Super cute. You get 2 in here. It was half off, so it's $3.50. One is lined and one is a bulleted pages. So I got that. I did get these stickers, which match. They're called the Happy Girls 3D stickers, 16 piece. I did get this one. I thought it would be cute if I do make a traveler's notebook to decorate. So it was half off, so it was $2. I did get this. I don't use these very often. I kind of don't think they're that great of a deal, especially for $6.99. Yikes! Because I use an ATG gun, and the ATG rolls are definitely bigger than what you get in one of these. But for $1.74, I just broke down and got it. Sometimes it's nice to have something convenient like that. They did have these dies, which they didn't have at my other Hobby Lobby. They're normally $14.99. They're on sale for $3.74. This is a Cinderella, and it includes like a little face stamp in here, so you can stamp her face once you cut her out. It's a metal die, kind of cool. And then to go along with that, I went ahead and got the little mice. Normally $17.99. It was $4.49. And in this, you get the 2 mice, you get a clock, a glass slipper, and a pumpkin. So I thought that was cute. I got this one, which is Frozen. It's Elsa. It also includes a little face stamp, which just cracks me up that it includes that. Normally $14.99, and it was reduced to $3.74. And then to go along with that, I went ahead and got Olaf. He was $2.49, reduced from $9.99. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then a couple other things here, and then I'll go over the trims that I got. So I did buy this because eventually I'm going to do something with Emoji Love. I'm going to. I know I'm going to do either some sort of a traveler's notebook, something to that effect. These would be super cute in there. They're 99 cents normally, $3.99. I got these little donuts. They're like a 3D. They're a Jolie's Boutique. They're normally $3.99. They're down to 99 cents. So I did get those. And then I went over to the ribbon area. I did go ahead and get this flower. It's normally $2.99. It was reduced to 74 cents. I got some ribbon. I got this one, which I was super excited to find. Really cute trim. And it was normally $2.99, reduced to 74 cents. I got this one, which is kind of like a hot pink. Normally $1.99, it was reduced to 49 cents. I got this one, which I'm thinking might be a stretchy one. I'll have to see if it's a stretchy one or not. But it was normally $2.99, and it was reduced down to 74 cents. And then really the deal of the day are these tulle. So tulle is, you know, kind of pricey if you want to buy tulle. So it's $4.99. And, you know, you could do a lot with these. All you have to do is cut a piece of this and tighten a knot, and you've got a really cool bow. So it just can jazz up package. So $1.24 for this one. This is a black with glitter dots. I got this one, which was $1.49, normally $5.99, and it's got these... they're calling it dewdrop tulle. So I got that one. And then I got this one, which is reduced from $4.99 to $1.24. And it's called a glitter dot organza. So this one really isn't a tulle, but more of an organza. But you can use it very similar. You would use tulle. And then I got a black glitter dot organza, same kind of thing. You can use it as a trim or however. So, and then the last thing that I got, I wish they'd had the blue on sale, but they didn't. They had this color and like a wine color and like a purple. I just got the pink, and it's called Candy Pink. It's a cheesecloth trim. It's probably normally $4.99 because it's reduced down to $1.24. So those are a really, really good deal. And I am not going back to Hobby Lobby because I spent a fortune in the last couple of days. And granted, this stuff was all, you know, on sale. But, you know, I need to spend my time actually using this stuff instead of just, you know, buying it, right? So I'm going to get to work making some projects. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Praying with the Heart.